Hi guys. Let's see how to send emojis from your keyboard in Windows 10 computer. In mobile devices you can send emotions and emojis easily. And thanks to Windows 10 they develop an easy way for Windows users as well. First open Notepad in your computer. Then you have to do is simply press Windows key and full stop key. This will allow you to handle a wide range of emotions and emojis. You can see there are emojis, emojis, and symbols. Here you can see variety of options. There are some range of emojis as well. You can use this option on Microsoft Word, Sticky Notes, Notepad, or any other text editor installed in Windows 10. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.